You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in English. It comes from the verb knock. Knock, okay? Now, in American English, it's pronounced more as knock, with a more open sound. Now, this is a different pronunciation. You have to add a T sound at the end. Knocked. All right, I know it's spelled ED, but you had a T sound. In fact, the first K, as you figured out, is silent. So, knocked. You could spell it N-O-K-T. Knocked. Knocked. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.